Concords. Lots of grapes. Green Seedless. They need, I understand, 5 to 7 years before they produce real well, but they have a few grapes on them. Providing we can keep the birds away. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. These are, I don't know whether you can see those there. Green Seedless Grapes. This is the second year for this. Here's another one. These are Green Seedless. Now these are Concords. This is about 8 or 9 years old. Look at the size of the trunk down there. And we're going to get a lot of Concords off of it. Might try and make some wine. These are more of the Concords. More of them. And we get down here and these are Green Seedless. Going to get a few of them, maybe if the birds don't get them. And I'm going to show you the people use owls to keep the birds away from the fruit. I got news for you. It doesn't work. We can keep the birds away. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. A black cherry tree that I brought down from our house up in Nantahala. It got wind whipped pretty bad, so we lost a lot of the branches, but it had about 30 or 40 black cherries on it, and the blue jays got them. And I came out to chase the blue jays away. So there's an owl there. They say you have to move them. Well, his head turns, I turned his head. And this one, of course, he's hanging here, and he moves, and he's scary to me. But you know what? There was a blue jay sitting right on here. So owls don't work. Real owls do, I guess, but then I'd have to catch mice to feed them. Okay, thanks for watching. This is kind of a hodgepodge thing we put together. And there's Junior. Right, June? Right. Ooh. Hey, everybody. Hope you liked that last video. Some of them I like after I get done editing them. Some of them I'm not so fond of, but once they're taken, you don't really know what you got until you go to editing. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you went down there, clicked on some of the others, give it a thumbs up, write in a comment. Actually, subscribing would be great. I appreciate everything you can do for me. I've got more videos coming. I'm just getting to them. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again another day. Bye.